Want a stronger core but hate the neck pain from crunches? Stop getting on the floor. This 15-minute standing routine targets your abs and protects your neck starting right now. Welcome to your 15-minute standing abs workout. No floor work, no neck strain, just safe, effective core strengthening. We'll work for 40 seconds, rest for 20, and repeat the circuit twice. Stay tall, breathe, and move mindfully. Let's get started. Standing knee to elbow, crunches. Lift one knee across your body toward the opposite elbow. Keep your chest lifted and core tight. Exhale as you crunch. Inhale to reset. Engage your abs, not your neck. You're training coordination and mobility here. Rest, 20 seconds, catch your breath. Up next, standing side crunches. Standing side crunches. Right side, hands beside your head, elbow down towards same side knee. Stay tall through your spine. Control the movement. Think about squeezing your obliques, those side muscles. Slow and controlled, no swinging. REST, 20 seconds. Standing side crunches. Left side, same focus. Rib meets hip. Keep knees soft. Avoid leaning too far forward. Every controlled squeeze builds your waistline safely. Breathe consistently, keep neck relaxed. Rest, 20 seconds, catch your breath. Up next, warrior crunch. Warrior crunch. Step one leg back into a slight lunge stance. Crunch forward, drawing knee toward elbow. Find balance. Core drives the motion. If balance is hard, lightly tap your toe each time. Rest, 20 seconds, shake out your legs, front kicks coming up. Alternating, front kicks, kick forward with control, don't lock your knees. Engage lower abs to lift the leg. Arms can counterbalance for coordination. Power from your core, not momentum. Rest, 20 seconds. Great work. Next, elbow to knee, finger to toe. Elbow to knee / finger to toe. Alternate between elbow to knee and opposite finger to toe. Rotate through your torso. Controlled twists. Mobility plus stability here. Breathe through each motion. Stay consistent. Rest, 20 seconds. Final move this round. Oblique toe touches. Oblique toe touches. Feet wide, reach opposite hand to opposite toe. Keep chest lifted, spine long, control the descent. Don't fold fully forward. Core engaged, slight rotation through obliques. Rest. Ready to repeat from the top. Stay tall. Sip water. Reset posture. Circuit round 2. Standing knee to elbow. Crunches. Let's go. Twist and crunch. Check in with your posture. Are you still standing tall? Don't let fatigue round your shoulders. Drive that rotation. Look where you are twisting. Your eyes guide your movement. Finish strong. Standing side, crunches, right. Begin, crunch right, tap down. You might feel a burn in your standing hip too. That is normal. It's working to stabilize you. Focus on the squeeze. Imagine wringing out a sponge on your right side. Nice work. Keep the rhythm steady. Transition. Switch your brain to the left side. Reset your stance. Feet firmly planted. Standing side crunches, left. Let's work. Lift and squeeze. Don't use momentum. Don't swing the leg. Lift it with control. If you need to hold on to a wall or chair for balance, do it. The focus is the core, not the balance struggle. rest. Warrior crunch is next. Open those hips, shake out the legs. Warrior crunch, arms up, knee wide, go. Think about bringing your rib cage down to your hip on the side. Exhale deeply on every crunch. Get all the air out. That helps engage the deep core. Keep moving. You are doing great. Transition, front kicks. Lengthen your spine, shoulders back. Alternating front kicks. Kick and reach. Let's work. Keep the legs straight, but don't lock the knee. Soft joint. Reach for the toe. If you can't reach, just aim for it. The effort counts. Last few reps here. Stay focused. Rest, the combo move. Elbow to knee, finger to toe, brain on. Elbow to knee / finger to toe, begin. Crunch, kick, switch, crunch, kick, find your flow. It doesn't have to be fast. Keep your core braced like a shield. Don't let your back arch when you kick. Almost there. Rest. Final exercise. Oblique toe touches. This is the victory lap. Oblique toe touches. Arms wide. Lift side, go. Squeeze that oblique. This is the last 40 seconds of work. Give it everything you have left. Keep breathing. In through the nose, out through the mouth. You are strong. Three, two, one, and relax. Amazing job. Take a deep breath in and out. Your core, balance, and coordination just got stronger. No crunches needed. Repeat this workout 2 to 3 times a week for progress. Like, subscribe, and comment "done" when you finish. I'll see you in the next workout.
Get strong. Subscribe and watch this next workout.